How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can see who screenshotted our Snapchat story. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Snapchat application. Then tap your profile icon from the top left of the screen, and over here you should be able to see many sort of details over here. And here, right here, you can see your stories. If you scroll down under public profile as well, you should be able to see your stories. And now you can just tap the little eye icon next to the story here. And when you tap the eye icon, in my case, nobody has actually viewed this story, but if someone has viewed and taken a screenshot of your story, then you will be able to find them over here. This way you'll be able to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. The trick here is to just tap the little eye icon which you see over here. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.